Villa Wolax. My name is Jesse Kylänpää and I'm taking care for this sailing event you are participating just in a few minutes or 10 minutes or something. We are getting a short brief for about sailing and boat what we are using. You can see in the dock there is red boats behind the trees. Those are like classical Sulin boats. Used to be an Olympic class. I think it was 90s something when they took it out from Olympic Games. Before that it was many years Olympic class and competitive three-person boat to sail there. And now Tino have nice fit up there and put all every boat as a similar, so it's nice to sail here in like a group sailing or events like this. In normal sailing boat, like you can see, I'm not maybe a 10th grade drawer, so this is like an easy SketchUp for a sailing boat. You have a hull where everybody is sitting in there. We have a keel in every boat and a rudder where you can steer the boat. Then of course you have a mast and boom, and then this kind of boats we have two sails. We have here in front we have a smaller or jib, and then we have a main sail. And for sailing it's this kind of saying that this sailboat is in front. This is the engine of the boat. It gives the power and possibility to go forward. And then you have of course you have a rudder to steer the boat, but then with mainsail you can almost take the rudder out and steer with the mainsail only. So it would be also a possibility to sail without rudder. But now we have rudder and we can steer and make the boat go where we want to go. That's a brief sailing boat words. But then we are going to have, I would say, 20-30 minutes time to get used to boat. We have 6 skippers here or 6 guys in every boat. We have 6 boats, so we can split the group. So there's 4 or 5 people in every boat, and there is one who knows what to do, and of course you are the persons that are going to do the stuff. We are just giving the instructions and see how the things goes forward. And after like 20 minutes sailing, we are getting a small race. We have put up a race course there. We are having orange or yellow buoys down there in the left, out there. We have 2 down here, and then we have 1 here. And this arrow is giving the direction of the wind. So sailing boats are not able to go straight to wind up here. So we have to go. We have to sail against wind like this. And then we go around this upwind buoy and then go straight back here. And then it's time to decide which one you want to go around. Go around this and then you go again. Go there and around this, and we go 3 times around this course. So it's when you're going out there, it's where you can see how the boats are going upwind and where you have to steer and adjust the sails. It's different to go upwind and downwind with the sailing boat. Is there anybody who have sailed before? So few. Well, quite many. Nice. I think we are splitting you in different boats, so we can get the even racing crews when we are having, because I'm quite competitive, and then I know also the skippers are quite competitive, so we are probably having great fun there. In the race, when we are making the start, this is the race course what we are making. We are having this kind of signals. We are putting 5 minutes before the start. We are putting this blue and white flag and a sound signal. That means that it's 5 minutes to start. Then it comes to 4 minutes, it's sound signal and a red flag. Now it's 4 minutes, then time goes forward, and when it's 1 minute, there is a sound signal and red one comes down. Okay, now it's 1 minute to start, then when it is time to start, there is a sound signal and this white and blue flag goes down. And that time every boat should be next to each other there, going upwind to the first mark here.
Remember this like that?
Yeah, that's why there is a guy from our side also in the boat. So if there is any time something to ask, please ask from us. I think everybody.
What about the insurance?
We have
that
5
covered.
kilos, yeah. No, it's super nice weather, so it's not a problem, I think.
How's the wind now?
I would say it's like 1 to 2 meters per second, so it's good for this kind of event and for practicing sailing.